Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Uh, I decided to make this video just to inform our audience about data collection tools. We came to learn that people confuse data collection tools from the instruments. So instruments, when you're looking at instruments, the focus is on, let's say, focus group discussions, interviews, questionnaires. Those are the main uh, instruments that are used in research. But we also have observations and others. Now, this video is specifically for the tools. The tools, I'll take an example of ODK or Kobo Toolbox. For those who are not aware about these, they are mobile. They are mobile applications, and therefore you can create your questionnaire within Kobo Toolbox. So that means Kobo Toolbox will carry your questionnaire, which you will disseminate to the respondents. So the advantage of such kind of mobile toolkits or mobile data collection tools is that you avoid the cost of printing papers, and as you know, printing papers could be costly. It could be affected by, let's say, weather conditions. You go into some remote area and you are rained on with your questionnaires, then probably you are likely to lose all the data. Now, mobile tools help you to avoid all this. You just collect your data using your phone, and then you send in real time. So there also another advantage of such tools is you can actually track where someone has collected data. You see, sometimes you employ some enumerators, stroke data collectors, and they sit in a room and fill the questionnaire and send it back to you. That is, you will end up getting responses, but in real sense, they are fake responses. So to avoid that, you can try these mobile data collection tools, which you can set a geographical location that before they start to collect data, they need to indicate their location just by tapping, and then the latitude, longitude, the specific location is collected, and also sent to your, let's say, storage point. So to mention some of the data collection tools that we work with, mostly we have Kobo Toolbox. It's mostly for humanitarian purposes. There was initially an assumption that data collected from Kobo Toolbox was available to others, but the management team at Kobo Toolbox, the team at Kobo Toolbox came and said they actually guarantee privacy of your data. So no one else can access your data apart from someone else you've shared your credentials with. And then you understand, when you are collecting data in the field, you will need to give the data collectors your username and password so that they can log in and upload the form or the questionnaire. That means they will be the people to have access to your data, but you can change that immediately after the data collection so that people don't go to compromise with the collected data. Meanwhile, we have Kobo Toolbox. I was trying to mention the aspect of privacy. So privacy is guaranteed from the Kobo team. We have ODK. ODK involves buying your own server. It's around $199 per month. We have SurveyMonkey, we have SurveyLegend, Microsoft Forms. Also, the common one that is used by people is Google Forms. Google Forms is it's just, as long as you have a Google account, you can easily send through email and people fill and send back. So there is much more, but those are the most popular ones that I would like to share with you. If you would like to enhance your data collection processes, make it, let's say, use your mobile phone to collect data, you can reach out to us at Study Research and Analytics. We shall guide appropriately or develop one for you, and then the data collection process can be easy, efficient, and cost effective. Thank you so much. Have a good day, a good evening, and a good week.